Welcome to Money Minds. Ever had a little extra money and wondered what to do with it? It's a question that pops up more often than you'd think. You see, it's not just about having extra money. It's about what you do with it that truly matters. We live in a world where financial opportunities are abundant, yet the path to true financial freedom remains elusive to many. One common misstep: spending that extra cash on liabilities or following conventional financial advice. Imagine instead channeling that extra money into avenues that not only preserve its value but also grow it over time. This, dear listeners, is the art of making money work for you. It's about stepping out of the conventional, embracing the extraordinary, and reaping the benefits of smart financial decisions. So, buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. It's time to learn how to make your extra money work for you. Did you know there are different kinds of income? That's right, not all income is created equal. Let's delve into the three main types: ordinary earned income, portfolio income, and passive income. Ordinary earned income is what most people are familiar with. It's the paycheck you receive from your job, generally the highest taxed form of income. The challenge here is that you're essentially trading your time for money. This limits your earning potential as there are only so many hours in a day. Next, we have portfolio income. This type of income comes from paper assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's taxed at a slightly lower rate than ordinary income, but it's still a challenge to build significant wealth with portfolio income due to relatively low returns. Finally, we come to the star of the show: passive income. This is income derived from real estate, royalties, and distributions. It's the lowest taxed form of income, with numerous tax benefits. The beauty of passive income is that it has the potential for infinite returns. You're no longer trading time for money. Instead, your assets are working for you, generating income while you sleep, go on vacation, or spend time with your loved ones. Now you might wonder why passive income is so important. Well, it's simple. Passive income allows you to create wealth without being tied to a job or constantly monitoring your investments. It provides financial freedom, the ability to live life on your own terms. Rich Dad said it best: if you want to be rich, work for passive income. These words ring true today more than ever. In a world of economic uncertainty and shifting job markets, having a steady stream of passive income provides a safety net and opens up a world of opportunities. So as you navigate your financial journey, remember this: aim for passive income. It's the key to unlocking financial independence and wealth. Ordinary income and portfolio income have their place, but passive income should be your ultimate goal. To become wealthy, focus on generating passive income. It's not just about making money, but making the right kind of money. Most of us start with ordinary earned income. The key is learning how to convert it into passive income. This is where the magic happens. The path to building wealth starts with understanding that there are different types of income. Then, the trick is converting your ordinary earned income into other types of income as efficiently as possible. Let's break that down. You work hard for your paycheck, right? That's your earned income. But what if you could make that money work for you instead? That's the essence of passive income. So how do you make this transformation? Well, it's all about paying yourself first. This isn't about splurging on a new gadget or a fancy vacation. No, when we say pay yourself first, we mean divert a portion of your income into investments that generate ongoing returns. Let's say you get a raise or come into some extra cash. Instead of increasing your spending, you invest that money into cash-flowing assets. What are cash-flowing assets? These are investments that generate a steady income over time, like rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. Now, it might be tempting to spend your newfound wealth on a shiny new car or a luxury vacation, but remember, the goal here is to build wealth, not just increase your spending. By investing in cash-flowing assets, you're setting up streams of income that keep flowing, even when you're not actively working. The beauty of this approach is that it's scalable. The more you invest, the more passive income you generate. Over time, your passive income may even exceed your earned income. Imagine that, earning more money while you sleep than you do while you're awake. There are countless ways to invest in cash-flowing assets. It could be real estate, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even starting your own business. The key is to find something that matches your interests, skills, and risk tolerance. And remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable wealth over the long term. So take your time, do your research, and make smart, informed decisions. Convert your pay raise or any extra income into passive income. It's a simple strategy, but it's one that can transform your financial future. Investing isn't inherently risky, it's the investor who can be risky. This statement might seem slightly paradoxical at first, but let's unravel it. You see, the investor is the one who holds the power to turn any investment into an asset or a liability. It's like being handed a set of paints and a blank canvas. What you create, whether it's a masterpiece or a mess, depends on your understanding of the art, your skill, and your vision. Similarly, in the world of investing, your financial literacy, your understanding of the market, your risk tolerance, and your investing strategies determine whether your investment flourishes into an asset or dwindles into a liability. When we say, the investor is an asset or a liability, we're pointing out that the success or failure of an investment often hinges more on the investor's actions rather than the investment itself. Missteps can be made by anyone, but a well-prepared investor can turn even a seemingly risky investment into a profitable venture. So how can you ensure that you're more of an asset than a liability? First and foremost, educate yourself. Dive deep into understanding what you're investing in. Get a grip on the fundamentals, understand the risks involved, and assess the potential returns. Make sure you're not just following trends or going by hearsay. Next, develop a clear investment strategy. Know what you're aiming for, set your financial goals, and devise a plan to achieve them. Don't put your money in the ring without knowing what the game is about. And finally, learn from your mistakes. Even the most astute investors have faced failures, but what sets them apart is their ability to learn from these setbacks and use these lessons to make better investment decisions in the future. Remember, in the grand scheme of investing, you're the artist. The market is your canvas, the investments are your paints, and your financial goals are the masterpiece you're striving to create. Be a smart investor. Make sure you know what you're doing before you put your money on the line. Financial education is crucial if you want to put your extra money to work. It's like the compass for your financial journey, guiding you towards wise and informed decisions. Without it, you're more likely to wander aimlessly, vulnerable to potential pitfalls and errors. Let's consider the concept of investing. It can seem daunting, complex, even intimidating. But when you peel back the layers, investing is fundamentally about understanding the value of resources, the dynamics of markets, and the power of patience. You see, financial education isn't about memorizing formulas or mastering jargon. It's about cultivating a mindset that embraces long-term thinking, risk management, and continuous learning. It's about understanding how money functions, how it grows, and how it can serve not just as a means of acquiring goods but also as a tool for creating more wealth. But where does one begin this journey of financial education? Luckily, we live in an age where information is abundant and accessible. Start with books written by seasoned investors and financial experts. Titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad or The Intelligent Investor can provide valuable insights into the world of finance and investing. Online courses are another rich resource. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy offer comprehensive courses on personal finance and investing, often for free or at a minimal cost. These courses can help you understand complex financial concepts at your own pace, in your own space. Lastly, seek mentors, individuals who have walked the path you're embarking on. Their experiences, successes, and even failures can serve as invaluable lessons. Remember, every investor started somewhere, and they've likely encountered the same questions and uncertainties you're facing now. Financial education isn't a one-off event, but a lifelong process. The world of finance is dynamic, constantly evolving. To navigate it successfully, one must be committed to ongoing learning, to staying informed and adaptable. So, invest in your financial education. It's the first step towards making your money work for you. Embrace the journey of learning, for it's through this journey that you'll unlock the true potential of your wealth. Investing is more than just making money. It's about creating financial freedom. It's about transforming your life into one where your money works for you, not the other way around. It's about the magic of compound interest, the steady accumulation of wealth over time. Investing is the tool that allows you to turn a small amount of money today into a substantial nest egg for the future. The power of investing lies in its ability to generate passive income, a steady stream of earnings that doesn't require your active involvement. This is the income that can fund your dreams, your aspirations, and your freedom. It's the income that keeps coming in, whether you're working, sleeping, or sipping cocktails on a beach somewhere. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a journey, a process. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. Start your investing journey today. Make your extra money work for you, not the other way around. Thank you for watching Master Your Money, a guide to making your money work for you. We've discussed the power of investing and how it can transform your life, but knowledge without action is meaningless. It's time to apply what you've learned. Start by taking small steps. Maybe that's setting aside a small portion of your income for investing, or maybe it's seeking out more financial education. Remember, every investment journey begins with a single step. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey. They are opportunities to learn, to grow, and to improve. The key is to start, to take action. And remember, this video is just the beginning. We have a wealth of content designed to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial education content. We are here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your future self will thank you. The power to transform your financial future is in your hands. Start your investing journey today. Make your extra money work for you, not the other way around.